So I've connected everything together here, as you can see, broken the seal, and now I'm just gonna start the car and, as per instructions, plug it in. Once I've started the car, hopefully we'll see some information on the head unit monitor output. So I'm just going to go ahead and start up. Okay, it's my head unit turning on. Make sure it all starts up fine. So some Taiwan hits, let's not worry about that too much. Navigation. So I'll just let this thing settle up. Just turn this down. Okay, it's down. This is wonderful music. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into the adapter here, to the port. Make sure this is all facing the right way. A little bit hard to see now. It's got a light in my face. I think it's this way. Okay, we got a good solid connection there. Okay, it's flashing, doing something. And let's see here. Now this is turned off and restarted as I did that on its own. I'm not responsible for that. It's in German now. Warnung. Navigation word activated. It means please, I think, in German. Okay, so now we're going off in German here. My German is not very good. System. Language. Let's try English. Okay. Video. Nope. Let's see if we have any new options now for rear seat entertainment. We didn't have those options before. Cycling through its discs. I think one of them is a DVD. I'm trying to figure out which one is the DVD. It's probably the last one. There you go, disc 6. It's playing something. What I'm really interested in is the menu. Oh, see, there you go. Activate video source for the rear. Perfect. So I think it's encoded it properly. That's actually a big win.